Well, it's a real one. Look, it moves. It's not scared of people. No. And there are all sorts of different birds here. So. And a horse, as you can hear in the trailer, he wants to get out. Some birds want to fly. Well, let's start with the meat tractor. 45. Oh, she's still young. 45. Oh no, sorry, it's her MAN. Akker diesel. Meat tractor's second vehicle. Well, let's walk around here. I hope they made it easy for me. Oh, only put numbers on it. Well, it's an international harvester. That's a big MAN. Shiny restored M motor. Yeah. Freshly painted. An old Ford 4000. David Brown. .450 export. Ah, German, a Kramer. It's a bit bigger. It's a real Unimog. Yeah, we know this one. Nice Porsche diesel. Let's see Ferguson. Technische data. Germany, 1940. Have you ever seen a ED40 Depth-O-Matic? Depth-O-Matic. Searching for automatic depth. And a somewhat smaller sister or brother. Big German Hanomag. D324. Three-cylinder, 24 horse, 1957. Club book. Tatje. That's a bigger one.
Er zijn wel 3 of 4 systemen voor. De pomp die hebben. En de pomp voor de armen naar boven te... De oorlogpomp op.
French Renault. Société Française Vierzon. A French hot bulb engine. A 302. Meanwhile, the kids are having fun, horse and cart. Another Porsche diesel. Fend Farming EZ multi-power. Oh. FOV. Société Française Vierzon. Well, here's the hot bulb. You gotta heat that up with a torch or a blower, and then the fuel evaporates and you can start it. Big pipe, a big plonk. It's a man. No, it's an MAN. Small bulldog. Small Lance bulldog. D326. That's a nice shiny red. WD9. Well, both biggies, yeah.
Maar dat kan ook ja. Ja. Ja, andere joh,
yeah. Don't polish it, just drive it. Smells a bit like oil. It's a bit greasy, but don't worry. Just drive it. Small hot bulb Landini. And even more. Even a Kenworth in between. Ah. A Pampa from Argentina. Coolers on its side. And for the son or daughter, a small Pampa. Nicely done. Well, something you don't see on every tractor show, Kramers. Well, and of course, a real Lance. Yeah, again, with real patina on it. Don't restore it, don't polish it, don't clean it. Just a bit of oil on the rust and keeps on driving. Autorecyclage. Oh, here's the gas canister. If you want to start it up with the torch. You gotta put the torch under the bulb here in front. This is it. You see, heat it up. There's a bit of fuel in the bulb. It evaporates, goes to the cylinder. Then you open this hatch, remove the steering column, stick it in, turn the huge flywheel, and hopefully it will start. Ah, for sale or for rent. Attachments, plows, other, well, I'm not a farmer, other thingies. That's a big one. Tire size 800 by 65 by 32. Good years. Expensive. It's a biggie. Well, this is shoulder height for me, so it's more than 2 meters, more than 7 feet. Natasha has a nice Deutz, or a friend with a nice Deutz. DB. Let's see. David Brown, Angleterre, England. No reading glasses needed. Nice. Nothing.
Oh, dat was aardig. Ja, ieder weg te krijgen. Ja, weet het toch? Ik weet dat nog heel goed dat je die komt. Nee, de bol zijn weg. Ja.
Oh. We trekken bij de stokmaal staan.
Nee?
Ja, we trekken bij de stokmaal staan.
Nice and shiny.
Of tijd stopt nog op.
Die is allemaal nog niet weg geweest. Ik zweer het dan.
It's also a big one, Willem P. Yeah, that's a real Dutch name. Or Belgian, it's got a Belgian plate on it. Big vent. Smaller Deutz. Ah, another Kramer. Algeir, also a small hot dog.
Ja.
Deutsch Far. No, it's a far. It's not a Deutsch Far, it's a far. Yeah, well, I have to translate it for you while you understand this. Prototype. Don't copy, please. It's a prototype. And what is it? Oh, it's a biggie. Look at the exhaust pipe, and what do you see? Yeah, right. It's a big pampa.
But this time, that's lower.
A Volvo. Badges from tractor meetings. Well, again, don't polish it, a bit of oil on it and go. What tubes? Just a few nice old classic tractors here on this huge event in Kalmthout, northern part of Belgium. I'll be making more of it, of course. There's so much to see. 1 horsepower, and as you can see, there's a nice row of Unimogs, and I know, well, you know Mr. Rambling Around Jeff, he loves those things, so I'm gonna make a special vid of those. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.